Fun doesn't come in a box from the department store, often with a ridiculous price, nor does it have to be supplied on a digital screen. So today my first DIY toy is this playful washing machine. DIY toys often involve repurposing items we were going to throw away. So how would I make it? I just recycled my old mobile phone box and wrap it up with a white paper. Now add the detailings of the washing machine like the power button, screen, etc. and cut the front door. Now draw some clothes and paint them. My washing machine is done with the fully overloaded clothes. The washing machine has done its job. Now it's time to dry the clothes. My second DIY toy is playful kitchen set. My child is cooking a sweet on her own kitchen stove and design her own menu. I ordered a sweet from our menu and she is making that for me. She is making a sweet using a bread, milk and some sugar. I can't tell you how many hours my daughter spent time with my playful handmade kitchen set. These kind of toys will show kids how to be resourceful with what we have at home. They inspire play, build fine motor skills and fuel imaginations. Did you enjoy her cooking? Now I will tell you how would I make it. I just took a old cardboard, cut it in the form of square and paste a white paper to it. This will act as a background for our stove. Use a white paper because we have to add the detailings like a jar of salt, sugar, oil, some spoons, etc. Friends, this is a great tip. If you don't have a glue gun, just use Fevibond and heat the Fevibond with a hair dryer. This will do the same job as glue gun. hope you understood the whole process. Now, coming to the third DIY toy, it's a mixer. Just take two paper cups. One is colored one and other is a transparent paper cup. Transparent one will act as a jar. Now paste a button. Now it's done. This is the mixer. This is very simple. Now your mixer is ready to put some bread in it. When my girls are grown up, I want my girls to be able to think outside the box, be resourceful, and come up with their own solutions to life problems. Maybe, just maybe, their mom's obsession with DIY toys and crafts will help get them a little closer to that goal. Thanks for watching.